Okay, we've got our variables and classes set. Now, let's put it all together and build something real, the Our Approach section, using atomic tabs, showcasing Yard's core methodology. Unlike the classic tabs widget, atomic tabs break down into independent parts you can style individually. The tabs menu bar, the tabs trigger, the tabs content areas. And every part is a separate element you can select and style on its own. Everything pulls from the system automatically. Here's the moment where it clicks. I need to add a third tab. I add a new tab trigger, apply my class, and it's already styled. I didn't touch a single style control. That's my design system working. I'll also set a selected state on the active tab trigger tied to Yard Yellow. Click a tab, it highlights, clean and consistent.